Are you ready to unlock a world of convenience and rewards using your McDonald's gift card? First things first, make sure you have the McDonald's app downloaded and installed on your phone. If you don't, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and get it set up. Now, open the app and look for the menu icon €. It's usually 3 lines in the corner of the screen. Tap on that. From the menu, you're going to find payment methods. Give that a tap to access your payment options. You should now see different ways to pay. Look for the option that says add a gift card or something similar €. It might also say redeem gift card. Tap on that. Now, carefully enter the gift card number and the PIN that are located on the back of your McDonald's gift card. Make sure you double-check the numbers to avoid errors. Once you've entered the information, hit submit or add card. The app will then confirm that your gift card has been successfully added to your account. Congratulations, you're all set. Now you can use your gift card for mobile orders, in-restaurant purchases, and start earning those sweet rewards points. Enjoy!